Need a clear guide to configuring what your customers pay for delivery? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up shipping rates in Shopify, from simple flat fees to complex calculated rules. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. A well-defined shipping strategy is crucial for profitability and customer satisfaction. Let's build yours from the ground up. Navigate to Settings and then Shipping and Delivery. Here, you'll manage shipping zones, the countries and regions you ship to. Within each zone, click Add Rate to create a shipping option. You can create a manual flat rate, like a $4.99 standard shipping fee. For more accuracy, connect a carrier account, like USPS or FedEx, to offer calculated rates, which are live prices based on package weight and destination. A powerful strategy is to create a conditional rate, such as free shipping, but only for orders over a certain amount or for specific products. A crucial pro tip: segment your rates by product weight. Create a heavy item shipping rate that only applies to products over 10 pounds. This prevents you from losing money on shipping for your heaviest products. And just like that, you have a flexible shipping strategy that protects your margins. Setting up tailored rates ensures you're never overpaying for fulfillment. What's the most creative shipping rate you've set up? Share your ideas in the comments. To keep customers informed, watch our next video on how to track shipments in Shopify. Thanks for watching.